sa tay tumanan mangan ako. Kasjay.
Nakapalpakay mo lang ng girls.
You can kiss me on a Monday, a Monday, a Monday is very, very good. Or you can kiss me on a Tuesday, a Tuesday, a Tuesday, in fact I wish you would. Or you can kiss me on a Wednesday, a Thursday, a Friday, Saturday is best. But never ever on a Sunday, a Sunday, a Sunday, 'cause that's my day of rest. Who's any day, and you can be my guest. Any day you say, not my day of rest. Just name the day that you like the best. Only stay away on my day of rest. Send me the pillow that you dream of. Don't you know that I still care for you? Send me the pillow that you dream of. So darling, I can dream on it too.
Marimba rhythm start to play. Dance with me, make me sway. Like a lazy horse in hand to shore. Hold me close, sway me more. Like a flower building in the breeze. Bend with me, sway with ease. When we dance you have a way with me. Stay with me, sway with me. Other dancers will be on the floor there, but my eyes will see only you. Only you have the magic technique. When we sway I go weak. I can hear the sounds of violence long before it begins. Make me me tell us only you know how.
You know how.
Sway me sweet,
Sway me smooth.
sway me now.
Sway me now.
On the floor, there but my eyes will see only you. Only you have the magic technique. When we sway, I go weak. I can hear the sounds of violence long before it begins. Make me tell us only you know how.
You know how.
Sway me smooth, sway me now.
Sway me now.
When the rhythm sounds to play, sounds with me, make me sway like a lazy horse in Hans's shoe. Hold me close, sway me more, like the power bouncing in the breeze. Bend with me, sway with me. When we dance, you have a way with me. Stay with me, stay with me.
Yan, sumay-sama ta po nga sisiwit. Yan, sumalang ako, dagiti kayat na. Ayan, dagiti, madama ti tangad na ako, mabalit ti sumalan ko Ayan.
Magkirarat.
Mayan.
Namsuk kay saman.
Aga, ito ni Sir Boyet, galain niya sis Gana. Yeah.
Awat dun dinugmaan.
May kayo natin.
Ayaman. Insaro sa ama. Asisibit kung naata.
Yan. Yeah.
Nugan noog gumanyo. Kayan at imayo.
Wow, naglaing ng kanay.
Isma
Amaan yo
sa tuon
sisiwit ko.
sisiwit ko,
Sisiwit ko.
nulumawa ang berberano. Imoy ko binisita, ikaw di sukot na.
Makasa. Terumang ka.
Ay nangitlog si Dua, maam-amaan siya. Nubiong niyo maam-am mo, mampakada kayo. Sisiwit ko, nulumawa ang berbulan ko. Sumura, luang gamanyo. that song, Suyusoy. Okay, so keep on dancing.
Yeah. Ay, kasi sunat yung manager yun eh. Nakabayad mo lang ni sir. Oh, tira.
At suyusoy nandagan, pangisip pa is nanunun. Samot lang ayos di danong, may bayad si dengdeng. Era! Umisip ka ay gayin, kadinip-dinip-dinip. Problema sa sistem-sem, ipatayaw sa tigil. Iyak pa ikang kansyon, may lilak sinanlubong.
Uy, tinira na.
Ipugaw man iibaw,
Yeah.
Neunanas maululaw. Enmuyak pa ibuga-bugaw, Unos kapya itu pag-usaw.
Ayak ka.
Umayabay.
Tuminga man na ng galan. Allah.
Kayem ko bumangon ka
Nay.
ng kadampay.
Alwatan baka matukul tasigan.
Di gratis sumambay, basta bilin kagusan. Mansuyusoy nandagan, ang simpas nandagan. Yamat lang ayos di danong,
May mayat si dangdang.
Dong-dong ay si dong ilay, insinali itong maan. Dong-dong ay si dong ilay, insinali itong maan. Siyusoy nandagan, siyusoy nandagan, siyusoy nandagan. Ayan.
Yeah, thank you so much po.
Hey girl, what you doing down there? Dancing alone every night while it right above you. I can hear music playing, I can feel your body swaying. One floor below me, you don't even know me, I love you. Oh my darling, knock 3 times on the ceiling if you want me. Yeah, why's up the fire if the answer is no? Oh my sweetness, means you meet me in the hallway. Why's up the fire, means you ain't gonna show. If you look at your window tonight, hold on the string with the note that touches in my heart. Read how many times I saw you, I found myself and you told you. Only in my dreams it that one between us come apart. Oh my darling, I'll dream tight on the ceiling if you want me. Yeah, right on the pipe if the answer is no. Oh my sweetness, please meet me in the hallway. Yeah, right on the pipe means you ain't gonna show.
The stars won't come out if you know that you're about, 'cause they couldn't match the glow of your eyes. And who am I? Just an ordinary guy trying hard to win me first prize. Oh my Candida, we could make it together. The farther from here, girl, the better. We're the earth, especially. Oh my Candida, just take my hand and I will lead ya. I promise that life will be sweeter, 'cause it's said so in my dreams. The future looks bright, like you told me so last night. Said you saw our children playing in the sunshine, and there were you and I in a house, baby, no lie. We know the seas we ours, and they were mine.
Oh my Candida,
We could make it together. The farther from here, go the better. Where the air is fresh and clean. Oh my Candida, just take my hand and I will lead ya. I promise that life will be sweeter, 'cause it's said so in my dreams.
Sunday morning I'm going to learn. I think I'll take a walk in the park. Hey, 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 it's a happy birthday. I've got someone waiting for me, and when I see her, I know that to say, hey, 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 it's a happy birthday. Ha, 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 beautiful Sunday. This is my beautiful day. When you say that you love me. Oh, my boy, it's a happy birthday. First I see you by my side. Let's take car and go for a ride. Hey, 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 it's a happy birthday. We'll drive on and follow the sun, making Sunday going on. Hey, 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 it's a beautiful day. Ha, 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 beautiful Sunday. This is my beautiful day. When you say that you love me. Oh, my This is my beautiful day. When you say that you love me. Oh, my, this is a beautiful day.
Once again, the Elio Coco Besses original dancers all the way from Agoo and Rosario, La Union, Apo. Yan, sumangipay kami mamat-apo ti love song. Okay po. I'm selos daw po, ti request daw. Sige po. Nakikita ko magkasama na tayo. Naiinis takot nasisira ang araw ko. At di ko alam bakit pa nagkaganda. Sadyang nasasaktan kahit di rin naman tayo. Ang puso ko'y nagdurugong at parang sumisip ang dibdib ko. Sa tuwing nakikita ko na magkatabi tayo. Kahit di naman tayong dalawa ay lagi na lang pinagsasalasan siya. Bakit pa siya at bakit di na lang ako? Sana'y mapansin ang aking nadarama sa'yo. Kung di rin lang ako, sana'y maghiwalay na lang kayo. At di ko alam bakit ba nagkaganda. Sadyang nasasaktan kahit di rin naman tayo. Ang puso ko'y nagdurugong at parang sumisikip ang dibdib ko. Sa tuwing nakikita ko na magkatabi tayo. Kahit di naman tayong dalawa ay lagi na lang pinagsasalasan siya. Bakit pa siya at bakit di na lang ako? Trouble he will find you no matter where you go. No matter if you're fast, no matter if it's snow. The eye of the storm, the clock into morning. We're fine for a while, but you start to lose control. He's there in the dark, he's there in my heart. He waits in the wings, he's gonna play a part. Trouble is a friend, yeah, trouble is a friend of mine. So don't be alarmed, he takes you by the arm. I won't let him win, but I'm sucker for his charm. Trouble is a friend, yeah, trouble is a friend Yan, sa data po yung request ni Sir nga Selos. Mabaling nyo tapo tag-request. Fame po. Another requested song, Fame. Another requested song, Fame. Baby, look at me and tell me what you see. You haven't seen the best of me yet. Give me time, I'll make you forget the rest. I got more in me, and you can set it free. I can catch the mood in my head. Don't you know who I am? Remember my name, Fame. I'm gonna live forever. I'm gonna learn how to fly high. I feel it coming together. People will see me in time. Fame. I'm gonna make it to heaven. Light up the sky like a flame. Fame. I'm gonna live forever. Baby, remember my, remember, 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 remember. Baby, hold me tight, 'cause you can make it right. You can shoot me straight to the top. Give me love and take all I've got to give. Baby, I'll be tough. Too much is not enough. I will grab your heart till it breaks. Oh God, why I'm gonna live forever. I'm gonna learn how to fly high. I feel it coming together. People will see me in bright rays. I'm gonna make it to heaven. Light up the sky like a flame. I'm gonna live forever. Baby, remember my, remember, remember. Yan, sudah dapat di-request mo, sir, nga Fame. Yan, another requested song po, Rest Your Love on Me.
Ay, happy birthday, Ma'am Pegan, babe.
Sige po.
Okay, bago po natin kantahin yung mga request.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Lagkan tatay man amin apo. To you, Kasta. Thank you so much po. Yan, so kantan mi lang apo di may sa request nga Rest Your Love on Me ken ipadas mi Uncle G kantam na I'll Never Fall in Love Again by Tom Jones. Nagpadas min to Uncle. Ngim no mi nga amo Uncle kat sabalyan min to langanan. Wino si kanto mang kantan. Kasja. Sige po. Another requested song, Rest Your Love on Me.
Maybe you don't know me any more than I know you, and I wouldn't blame you if you walk away. I've been watching you all evening with the teardrops in your eyes, and it touches me much more than I can say. You know I'd hate to think that someone could have hurt someone like you. And if I was in, I'd be right by your side. Lay your troubles on my shoulders, put your worries in my pocket. Rest your love on me a while. Lay your troubles on my shoulders, put your worries in my pocket. Rest your love on me a while.
Saw you in the corner, on that moment I okay. Saw your lonely face across the room. Why did you have to leave so soon? You know I hate to think that someone could have loved you more than me. And at times like this, I'll be right by your side. Lay your troubles on my shoulders, put your worries in my pocket. Rest your love on me a while. Lay your troubles on my shoulders, put your worries in my pocket. Rest your love on me a while. How long must I wait for the last train to be here? And the last chance to go home. hand, rest your love on me a while. Ang kalsoy padas midi kantam nga I'll Never Fall in Love Again by Tom Jones. Pero siya mang kanta angkal. Bale nang nangag ko lang po. I've been in love so many times, thought I knew the score, but now you treated me so wrong. I can't take anymore, and it looks like I'm never gonna fall in love again. Fall in love, I'm never gonna fall in love. I'm beating fall in love again. All those things I heard about you, I thought they were only lies. But when I caught you in his eyes, I just broke down and cried. It looks like I'm never gonna fall in love again. Fall in love. No, I'm never gonna fall in love. I'm beating fall in love I gave my heart so easily, I cast aside my pride. But when you fell for someone else, baby, I broke up on the inside, and it looks like never gonna fall in love again. That's why I'm singing it. Fall in love. No, I'm never gonna fall in love. Please don't make me fall in
Eh, bakit ngayon ka lang ano? Ha? Mga Jai? Jai? Wildflower ka dyan eh.
And another requested song, Ages Medley daw po.
Tulisan ko kami try mi tapo na gini request nyo.
Akala ko ikaw ay akin, totoo sa aking paningin. Ngunit nang ikaw ay yakapin, naglalaho sa dilim. Ninais kong mapalapit sa'yo, ninais kong malaman mo ang mga paghihirap ko, paniwala lang sa'yo. Ikaw ay aking minahal, kasama ko ang may kapal. Ngunit at ako pala'y naging sanghangal, naghahangad ng isang katulad mo. Hindi ko na kailangan, umalis ka na sa aking harapan. Damdamin ko sa'yo ngayon ay naglaho na. At ito ang iyong tandaan, ako'y masyadong nasaktan. Pag-ibig at pagsuyo na kahit nasa luha, mababayaran mo. Tingnan mo ang katotohanan na tayo'y pari-pariho lamang. May damdamin di nasasaktan, ang puso mo'y nasaan. Ikaw ay aking minahal, kasama ko ang may kapal. Ngunit at ako pala'y naging isang hangat, naghahangad ng isang katulad mo. Hindi ko na kailangan, umalis ka na sa aking harapan. damdamin ko sa'yo ngayon ay naglaho na. At ito ang iyong tandaan, ako'y masyadong nasaktan. Pag-ibig at pagsuyo na kahit nasa luha, mababayaran mo. Ayoko sana na ikaw'y mawawala, mawawasak lamang ang aking mundo. Ngunit anong magagawa kung talagang ayaw mo na? Sino ba naman ako para pigilin ka? Lumayo ka man ay maiiwan ang bakas ng ating pagmamahalan. Ang awiting ito ay alaala na hindi kita malilimutan, pagkat ikaw ang tanging laman ng aking mundo, ng aking puso, ng aking buhay. Ang halik mo, namimiss ka. Ang halik mo, namimiss ka. Bakit iniwan man ka?
Kunting sundo, pinaakin ng puso mo. Kunting gusto sa'yo ang kinang pag-ibig mo. Pag-ibig ko sa'yo,
Masdan mo ang buhay ko, lagi na lamang ganito. Walang nagmamahal, ang puso ko'y kailan masisilayan ang liwanag? Kailan mahahawi sugulan ang ulan? Tulad din ng dati kay linaw ng dagat, inasam-asam kong munting pangarap.
pag-ibig ko sa'yo, tunay at totoo.
Sintamis ng wine, sintatag ng sunshine.
Tunghayan mo sana ang aking pagsinta.
Langit ng puso ko, o ang pag-ibig mo, sinta.
Nananaginip ng gising, nakatulala sa hangin, nagsusumiding damdamin. Kahit halik lang ang akin, nababaliw ako sa'yo. Bawat silang mo ng
malalapitan. Sana may luha pa akong mailuluhan at nang mabawasan ang aking kalungkutan, ang aking kalungkutan, ang aking kalungkutan.
Nakilala kita sa phone, Mary Jane ang pangalan mo. Kay ganda ng boses mo, kasing ganda ng pangalan mo. Sinabi mo sa akin ang iyong problema, at ako ay awang-awa sa'yo. Nais kitang yakapin, ngunit ikaw ay malayo sa akin. Mary Jane, hinihintay ko lagi ang tao mo. Ikaw lagi ang laman ng isip ko, Mary Jane, oh Mary Jane.
abogado. ₱1 bilyon ang sahod ko, puro dolyar ang pera ko. 100 ang kotse ko, eroplano ang bahay ko. Yan, so tagtama na kita request yung po nga Aegis Midley. Okay, sa another requested song, may sama tayo po nga duet, Bakit Ngayon Ka Lang, tapos next in line po di Island Industry. Santo G7 sis po nga request yun po. Yan, pagkasaroon mo ni Apo, kaya dumawat kami Apo, di pasensya no bilang haming amoy na dumang po nga request yun. Thank you so much po. And another duet, Bakit Ngayon Ka Lang, requested song.
Okay, thanks for all. Bakit ngayon ka lang? Bakit ngayon kung kailan na aking puso mayroon ng laman?
Sana'y nalaman ko, nagdarating ka sa buhay ko. Di sana'y naghintay ako.
Ikaw sana ang aking yakap-yakap, ang iyong kamay ang aking laging hawak, at hindi kanya, at hindi kanya. Bakit ngayon ka lang dumating sa buhay ko? Pilit binubuksan ang sarap ng aking puso. Ikaw ba ay nararapat sa akin? At siya ba'y dapat kong nang limutin? Nais kong malaman, bakit ngayon ka lang dumating? Ikaw sana ang aking yakap-yakap, ang iyong kamay ay lagi kong hawak, at hindi kanya, kanya. Bakit ngayon ka lang dumating sa buhay ko? Pilit binubuksan ang sarap ng aking puso. Ikaw ba ay nararapat sa akin? At siya ba'y dapat ko nang limutin? Nais kong malaman, bakit ngayon ka lang? Bakit ngayon ka lang dumating sa buhay ko? Pilit binubuksan ang sarap ng aking puso. Ikaw ba ay nararapat sa akin? At siya ba dapat ko nang limutin? Nais kong malaman, bakit ngayon ka lang?
That's another requested song. Yan, so, yun namin mang kano ba si Tapo di request ni sir? Tsaka mo tinagan na naman. Yan, si Patpadas miya po di request na ni Sir Jay, anak po ni Sir Boyet. Minsan daw po. Sa amin tayo saro-saro na po di request yung po mga Island in the Stream and Seven Seas. Sa buhay mo ang kabiguan, minsan ang pagluha ay di mo mapigilan. Minsan nangyayari ang di inaasahan sa buhay mo, sa buhay mo. Minsan parang ayaw mo nang ika'y mabuhay. Lungkot ang siyang naghahari sa iyong isipan. Minsan nagtatanong ka sa iyong sarili, anong nangyari sa buhay mo? Minsan umibig ng tapat ang aking puso at nagtiwala sa kanyang mga pangako. Ngunit nakita kong may iba na siya. So data po request na niya, sir. Another requested song, Island in the Stream po. Sis, ito kayo man tanong nga ako daw. Nasa Island in the Stream by Candon and Tommy Parton.
Baby, when I'm with you, there was things unknown. I set up to get you when I'm trying to come. I was something inside. There was something going on. You did something to me that I can't explain. Hold me closer and I feel no pain. Every beat of my heart, we got something going on. Tender love is blind, it requires a dedication. All this love we feel, it's not conversation we ride together. Making love with each other. Arms in the stream, that is what we are. No one in between. How can we be wrong? Sail away with me to another world. Then we rely on each other. From one lover to another.
I can live without you if the love was gone. Everything is nothing, you got no one. And you walk up tonight, I'm slowly losing sight of the real thing. But that will happen to us and we got no doubt. Too deep in love and we got no way out. And the message is clear. This could be the year for the real thing. No more will you play, baby, I will hurt you never. We started and as one, you love forever, we can ride together. Making love with each other, from one lover to another.
What we are, no one in between. How can we be wrong? Sail away with me to another world, and we rely on each other. From one lover to another. Islands in the stream, that is what we are. No one in between. How can we be wrong? Sail away with me to another world, and we rely on each other. From one lover to another. From one lover to another.
Yan, so mga ipay kami man ka na. One, sir. So may isa ka na po nga sweet music. Sige po. Yan, so may isa po nga sweet music. Di ka no isala dagiti dancers, may apo dagitay basta dito nga banda apo. Dito nga banda po.
Another requested song, Sweet Music daw po. Mga dancers natin. Puntahan yung mga boys dyan sa harap.
Nagpapanaw damutan, ma'am.
Oh, thinking about the younger years.
Ay, di ka nalatan.
There was only you and me. We were young and wild and free. Now nothing can take you away from me. We've been down the road before, but it's over now. You can be coming back for more. Baby, you're all that I want. When you're lying here in my arms, I find it hard to believe we're in heaven. Love is all that I need, and I found it there in your heart. It isn't too hard to see we're in heaven. Turn your world around, bring you up when you're feeling down. Yeah, nothing could change what you mean to me. Oh, there's lies that I could say, we just hold me now, 'cause the lie will lie to it. And baby, you're all that I want. When you're lying here in my arms, I find it hard to believe we're in heaven. Love is all that I need, and I found it there in your heart. It isn't too hard to see we're in heaven. I've been waiting for so long for something to rhyme, for love to come along. Now my dreams are coming true, through the good times in the bed. Yeah, I'll be standing there by you.
Yeah, Mr. Narvi Dasalya.
And baby, you're all that I want. When you're lying here in my arms, I find it hard to believe we're in heaven. Your love is all that I need, and I found it there in your heart. It isn't too hard to see we're in heaven, heaven. Whoa. You're all that I want, you're all that I need.
Yan, so, ada ka na po di guest singer tayo. Niya, sir, from Hawaii with love daw po. From California daw po ni sir.
Lagi nagsawa mo pa rin wala.
Pasensya kayo na buhan lang nga kumantan. I might try my best to birthday ni tatang kami na yun. Kaya na lang nga kumantan nga. Karagarigatak.
Late in the evening, just wondering where clothes to wear. She puts on her makeup and brushes her long blonde hair. And then she asks me, do I look alright? And I say yes. You look wonderful tonight. We go to Boyet's party and everyone turns to see this beautiful lady waiting around with me. And then she asked me, do you feel alright? And I say yes, you feel wonderful tonight. Feel wonderful because I see the love light in your eyes. And I wonder of it all, if just don't realize how much I love you. Time to go home now. I got an aching head, so I go over the car keys and help me to bed. And then I tell her, I said, turn out the light and say, my darling, you look wonderful tonight. Oh, my darling, you are wonderful tonight. Thank you.
Okay, I give you one more chance if that's it.
Ikaw lang na.
Yeah.
I-karaoke ka.
Yeah.
I-karaoke ka lang sir. Kay Blur Power Mix ba?
Dala kalit no ba yan, no?
Sir?
Ano makita ng kalit di ko hindi nagkaroon. No, ma-highlight ang nag-birthday ano ba?
Upward sir. Ama.
Dana kumanta ka mo ta. Sumaruno ka. Kaya nakatalo mamiyas? Lady, I'm your knight in shining armor, and I love you. You have made me what I am. I am yours. Sala kayo na. My love, there's so many ways someone to say I love you. Let me hold you in your arms forevermore. You have gone and made me such a fool. I'm so lost in your love, and oh, we belong together. Always want you near me. I've waited for you for so long. And beside me is where I want you to be. 'Cause my love, there's something I want you to know. You're my love. You're my lady.
Yan, thank you so much po. That's another guest singer. Ma'am or sir po dito? Yes. Guest singer daw po dyan, agnagan po ti Yas. Ani ma'am. Agkanta po ti Under the Same Sun. Can I, sir, marry on a cross? Kalulod ko lang. May mawang magkit. Sir, mabalin nga po. Ay, dapat na.
Under Simpson. Sa kalam ko lagi meron na cross. Kailan ba? Under Simpson na.
At least yun eh. Meron na po.
Lagi under Simpson. Happy birthday, Boyet. We've been together down the avenues. Might be so sad, all we got was blues. But it's all the sorrow we were riding high. When I told you this matter is, I never let you go. We were scanning the cities, walking the little views. But beside the glamour, what we got was blues. But through all the sorrow, we were riding high. And the truth of the matter is, I had to let you go, let you go. Honestly calling Mary on. It's another bloody Mary on. If for food. In after all the sorrow, we were kind. And the truth of the matter is, I never let you go, let you go. Go down just like Holy Mary, Mary on the cross. Not just another Bloody Mary, Mary on the cross. You go down just like Holy Mary, Mary on the cross. Your beauty never really scared me, Mary on the cross. If you choose to run away with me, I will tickle you eternally, and I see nothing wrong with that. Carry on, carry on, carry on, carry on, carry on, okay lang ba? Nagkanta? Leader of the band. Yeah. Leader of the band? Under the same sun. Anya ba ba yung duet? Under the same sun. Bakit ngayon ka lang? Okay lang. Bakit ngayon? Oh, leader of the band na lang muna. Tapos nag-duet kami. Last yan. Only child alone, one really can't make her sing. He's one man with deep river, and his heart is known to down. And like a swan when he's home, and it's solitary way. He gave to me, I gave, I know I never can repay. A quiet man of music, not a simpler fate. He tried to be a sorry one, but his music couldn't wait. He learned his love and discipline, tried to build it in. His gentle mean of calling his own, so please to understand. The letter of the body's heart, the sky's going on, but his blood brought to mark in this man, and his song is in my soul. My life has been a poor attempt to imitate the man. My life has been a legacy to the leader of the pain. My brothers lived a different, where he heard an perfect call. One went to Chicago, and the other doesn't fall. I'm in Colorado, and I'm not in some hotel, living out this life I choose. I've come to know so well. Bakit ngayon ka lang? Bakit ngayon ka lang?
And so, dapat request ni Sir Aris, duet kami ka na aputi, bakit ngayon ka lang?
Bakit ngayon ka lang?
Pilit binubuksan
Ang sarado ko ng puso, ikaw ba ay may nararapat sa
Nararapat sa
ang iyong kamay na aking
lagi aking hawak
at hindi kanya
at hindi kanya.
bakit ngayon
Bakit ngayon ka lang
dumating
dumating sa buhay ko? Pilit binubuksan
ang sarado ko
aking puso.
siya ba
Ikaw
ay nararapat sa akin
At sa akin
siya ba
at siya ba'y
sa akin
dapat limutin? Nais malaman bakit ngayon ka lang?
Ikaw sana
Ikaw sana ang aking yakap-yakap,
ang iyong kamay na laging aking
lagi
hawak
aking hawak
at hindi
at hindi kanya.
bakit ngayon
Bakit ngayon ka lang
dumating
dumating sa buhay ko?
pilit
Pilit binubuksan
ang sarado ko
aking puso.
siya ba ay dapat ko nang limutin at siya ba ay dapat ko nang limutin
Dapat limutin.
nais ko malaman
Nais malaman bakit ngayon ka lang
dumating.
And thank you so much po. Another requested song, Seven Seas ka na nga po. Ilocano po, wino English. Inyo Gcom sir, English wino Ilocano po. Di nag-request si Seven Seas. Ilocano. Inaldaw-aldaw sika mapanpanunod ko, malipod ba'y dadat nagamang mo? Uray pa'y kasatnot pa ng iyaw-awan ko, tagtagainip ko. Nagrigaten ti kasasaad, nakasken kadan asawa. Gemjak meten mapawilan tuirig na. Keti din imanugutak, asikaken siya tayag sara. Hamuklat kanuan niya mapasama. Mapadang day 7 seas, tanan namin tani ayan. Itakot ko ta'y puso, magiging kararwan. Mapadang day 7 seas, nagpapasta tanagsa. Rignab ketay rignab isudat nagsaga. Tingga kaano nga ta ama ilimita. Di ka na yun panagsindarakta. Adan amaku mga nuwatan makakita. Yung nalablabes met niliw kukin ka. Nagrigaten ti kasasaad, ngimaklunek nu'y sudgasat. Amok na bayag na kun nga isyuksuka. Alawin lakay di kan aglibak, na umakan tuy bibingkak. Maalang paikit di agpagkaan. Mapadang day 7 seas, tanan namin tani ayan. Itakot ko ta'y puso, magiging kararwan. Mapadang day 7 seas, nagpapasta taragsa. Ang abalen kay to'y kukuwak nga kwak kwak kwak, kay samet luklukwen na. I sail over 7 seas to find to your heart. I sail through the darkest night. Oh, I sail to your heart. I sail over 7 seas to find to your heart. I sail with the wind tonight. Yan, so natapos yung request yung 7 seas. Another request.
And we are the Mr. and Mrs. Tordas with the band of Barangas Santa Cruz. Okay, here's your request, Sir Boyet. Sa laing timayat. Girls. My love, there's only you in my life. The only thing that's right. Two hearts that beat as one. Our life has just begun. Forever. Oh, I hold you close in my arms. I can't resist your charm.
Thank you so much po sa mga
Ayan. So,
pumalakpak.
datapot request na ni Sir Boyet, Gaerlan. Another requested song, Always Remember Us This Way. The Arizona sky burning in your eyes. You look at me and babe, I want to right, but we try. But all I really know, you're where I wanna go. The part of me that you will never die. So when I'm all choked up, but I can't find the words. Every time we say goodbye, baby, it hurts. When the sun goes down and the band won't play, I'll always remember us this way. Oh yeah, and I don't wanna be just a memory, baby. Oh, 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 so when I'm all choked up, but I can't find the words. Every time we say Agri lang ka na ako, kantak lang ka no, bit, DJ. Request na nga. Labis na nasaktan.
Next po yung sisiwit na.
Sige po. Yan, labis na nasaktan, tapos this is siwit apo. Nang di alam ang luha, ayaw kong ganito, mahal dinggin mo, nahihirapan ang puso, sinundan ka ng kung saan at nagmamakaawa. Hinalikuran mo ako nang papalayo, sumisigaw ang puso, labis na nasaktan ako sa mga alaala. Kahit nahabulin ka, kahit mapilitin ka, wala na ba akong pag-asa pa? Dinggin mo ang tibok ng puso, sa'yo'y nangungulila. Paano na ako? Paano na tayo? Paano na ang puso kong ito? Unting bumabatan nang di alam ang luha, ayaw kong ganito, mahal dinggin mo, nahihirapan ang puso, sinundan ka ng kung saan at nagmamakaawa. Hinalikuran mo ako nang papalayo, sumisigaw ang puso, labis na nasaktan ako sa mga alaala. Kahit pahabulin ka, kahit papilitin ka, wala na ba akong pag-asa pa? Dinggin mo ang tibok the duo Sweet Glenn. Ayan, thank you so much po. Ayan, so another extension po, sir. Sir Aris. Okay po. So another extension po. Thank you so much po. Okay, requested song, Sisiwit. Okay, Sisiwit. Thank you, Mother Gina. Okay, come on everybody, dance
Come on and serve. You
Hala,
wanna serve with
okay,
tayo sumayaw, guys.
Tara, gragsakan tayo mga
Para mas
aso.
masaya.
Yes! Lamang kinapot at sasala tayo amin.
Awat sung tinugmaan un ka ay ayamang ayun Intarok ka ama asisiwit ko na ata Nukan nuog gumanyo to kayang at imayo
Energy, energy.
Isunga amaan yo sa doon sisiwit ko Sisiwit ko sisiwit ko Lulumawa ang berberan ko Sumura Duo Gamanyo Tasa ko Dinampaan mo Okay
Oh,
Sayaw
nag-line nangkal nga nakan 501 na eh. Yan. Terwam angkal. Terwam tayo kalkalayan na.
Imoy ko binisita Ikaw di
Sabot na.
Kay nangitlog sinuwa Maam-amaan siya Lupion niyo mamambo Mampakada kayo Tapno maog gumanyo Sa tuon sisiwit ko Sisiwit ko Sisiwit ko Tuon gamanyo Nasa ko Tinapaa mo Nasa ko Tinapaa mo
Okay, so another sweet music request niya Sir Aris. pansin. Mga sandali tanggapin mo ang pag-ibig ko para sa'yo. Walang hangganan ang saya, mga sumpa at pangako. Tayo lang dalawa kailanman. Ang pag-ibig mo sa akin ang nagbibigay saya sa buhay ko. Ikaw lang ang mamahalin, ikaw lang ang nasa puso ko, ikaw lang ang ibigin ko habang ako'y napabahay. Di ko kayang mawalay ka, di ko kayang mabuhay, di ko kayang limutin ka habang ako'y nabubuhay. Lagi na lang nagkikita, maging sa mga panaginip, mga ngiti mong katamis, natutunaw sa puso ko, mga sumpaan at pangako. Tayo lang dalawa kailanman. Ang pag-ibig mo sa akin ang nagbibigay saya sa buhay ko. Ikaw lang ang mamahalin, ikaw lang ang nasa puso ko, ikaw lang ang ibigin ko habang ako'y nabubuhay. Di ko kayang mawalay ka, di ko kayang mabuhay, di ko kayang limutin ka habang ako'y nabubuhay. Yan, baka dapat i-request niyo po. Kanta ka, sir? Okay po. Nakanta ka, sir? Sige. Ay, mabalimot. Ay, karaoke, sir?
Baka kung makita ko pag-bless mo.
Ikuha na ka ng YouTube lang. May ba? May sakal.
Oh, manong ori ay doesn't matter nga kasi ano ka ori kay nga nakarawin mo. Okay.
Pero depende sa kanya.
Para ko Santa Maria ko ano nay rubo ako dito in birthday. Happy birthday Tatang. Love me with all of your heart. That's all I want, love. Love me with all of your heart.
Just promise me this, that you'll give me all your kisses every winter, every summer, every fall. When we are far apart, or when you near me, love me with all of your heart as I love you. Don't give me your love for a moment or an hour. Love me always as you love me from the start, with every beat of your heart. Buenas tardes, señoras, señoras. Te quiero mucho. Just promise me that you'll give me all your kisses every winter, every summer, every fall. When we are far apart, or when you near me, love me with all of your heart as I love you. Don't give me your love for a moment or an hour. Love me always as you love me from the start, with every beat of your heart. Muchas gracias. Tatang mo pala panaksaduin na. It's your birthday anyway. Thank you.
Sugar, new Tang fruit. Try now, whether you voice it text or voice that.
Thank you. Zadi pala, ha?
I was standing all alone against the world outside. You were searching for a place to hide. Lost and lonely, now you're giving me the will to survive. When we're hungry, love will keep us alive. Don't you worry, sometimes you just gotta let it ride. The world is changing right before your eyes. Now I found you, there's no more emptiness inside. When we're hungry, love will keep us alive.
Okay, keep on dancing. Another sweet music.
Thank you po, sir.
Okay, patpating nga kayo, sir. Patpating nga. Stuck on you, I got this feeling down deep in my soul that I just can't lose. Guess I'm on my way. Needed a friend, and the way I feel now, I guess I'll be with you till the end. Guess I'm on my way. Mighty glad to stay.
Yan, so, nagkisalamat naman na niya, sir.
Stuck on you, been for too long. I guess it's time for me to come home. Guess I'm on my way. So hard to see that a woman like you could break the run for a man like me. Guess I'm on my way. Mighty glad to stay. Tomorrow, and I know just where I'm going. The crack of my troubles, and I torn them all away. 'Cause this time with you, darling, I'm coming home to stay. Stuck on you, I got this feeling down deep in my soul that I just can't lose. 'Cause I'm on my way. Needed a friend, down the way you feel now, I guess I'll be with you till the end. 'Cause I'm on my way. Mighty glad you stayed. Okay, another sweet music para kada kita pinakasala kamsat kung dawa yun datoy.
Another sweet music.
Bakit ba ako'y laging ganito? Lagi akong di mo pinapansin. Para na lang ako laging sumusunod sa gusto mo. Lagi kitang inaalala kahit di mo ko pansin. Honey, my love, so sweet. Kahit ako'y di mo pinapansin, hindi ako nagagalit sa'yo. Pagkat alam ko na ang iyong damdamin para sa'kin. Hindi mo lang alam ang aking nadarama pagkapiling ka. Honey, my love, so sweet. Kahit sino ka pa, basta't mahal kita. Lagi na lang ako sumusunod sa'yo. Mahal kita at yan ay totoo. Honey, my love, so sweet. ako'y di mo pinapansin. Hindi ako nagagalit sa'yo, pagkat alam ko na ang iyong damdamin para sa'kin. Hindi mo lang alam ang aking nadarama pagkapiling ka, honey, my love, so sweet. Kahit sino ka pa, basta't mahal kita. Lagi na lang ako sumusunod sa'yo. Mahal kita at yan ay totoo, honey, my love, so sweet. Walang ibang mahal kundi ikaw lamang. Sabihin mo sa akin, ako'y mahal mo rin. O giliw ko, ako ay pakinggan mo, honey, my love, so sweet. Honey, my love, so sweet. Honey, my love, so sweet.
Yan, so dapat request niya, Sir Boyet nga, basol mo, babae. Ngayon, hanggamin nga makuan pa ako ni Mr. Narvi. So nga, ako basol ko sa ngayon gaputa, basol ti babae. Siyak ti mangkanta ti basol ti babae. Kanta ka no apo Jay, very emotional ko na ni sir. Basol mo, babae, nagayat ka sa bali, kasat no pa'y di ka rin, ngayon ka kaniyang inkalain. May waksit na palabas, di intalet ko to'y ayat. No kuma impateg mo ni ayat nga intalet ko, san kuma anagbanag anilipat ko to ayat. Awan amo pusag no inbaw ikaw ni ayan. Yan, sorry po sir, tatak lang na kanta. Pero pamilyar ako po. Nagayat-kat sa bali, kasat nupay di ka rin, ngain ka kanya hintalali. Sinaktam to'y puso, sinugat mo to'y kaunggan, jak may waksit na palabas, diin talet ko to'y ayat, nukuman himpatek mo ni ayat nga intale ko, san kuman ang nagpanang anilipat ko na ayat, awan amo papaput pusa, nuin bawin ko ni ayat.
I can't stop loving you,
Kimasta.
so made up my mind to live in memory of such an old lonesome time. I can't stop wanting you. It's useless to say, so I just live my life in dreams of yesterday. Those happy hours
Those happy hours
that we once knew, so long ago, they still make me feel blue. They say that time is a broken heart, but time has stood still since we've been apart. I can't stop loving you, baby, my honey, my darling, my sweetie pie. It's useless to say, so I just live my life in dreams of yesterday. I can't stop wanting you. It's useless to say, so I just live my life in dreams of yesterday.
together again. My tears have stopped falling. The long, lonely night
and remember I always love you. Everywhere I think of no one but you. You are my true love, my dearest one, dearest one. Each time I hold you tight, I can feel the joy in my heart. Now I can say that you are just meant for me. You are my true love, my dearest one. Life has meaning if there's someone to love, and you give me reason to live. You're so wonderful, I can't let you cry, because dearest one, I love you so.
Forever, my darling, our love will be true. Always and forever, I love only you. Just promise me, darling, your love in return. May this fire in my soul be forever burn. My heart's so commanded to keep loving, to hold, making you happy is my desire. Keeping you is my goal. Forever, I love you for the rest of my days. I'll never part from you or your loving ways. Just promise me, darling, your love in return. May this fire in my soul be forever burn.
Hold me tight, don't say goodbye. I want to be with you tonight. Don't say the word, just hold my hand, just stay with me. Don't say goodbye, I love you too. Oh, don't you know, this heart of mine just beats for you. You'll always be the only one until I die. Don't say goodbye. When you're with me, I'm not afraid to miss a word that is so cruel. Hold me tight, don't say goodbye. I want to be with you tonight. Don't say the word, just hold my hand, just stay with me. Don't say goodbye, just stay with me. Don't say goodbye. Okay, wag ka marunong nagiti ka sa tayo nga taga sigay, tadong umay da ka nagsaw.
Umuna-una po, agyaman kami, ini Apo Diyos, ti intid na nga salunat itong galmaysa, Ken kastamot nga ti sububukol nga iling nga sigay makipagrambak kin makipagragsakda iti panagkasangay ti amay ti ili ti sigay awan sa bali ni Apo Tyrone Gaerlan nga isu nga amami ti ili nga sigay. Ket kas simpo na siguro nga kami panaggawid ta dayo pa imod natin kami pagawidan ket agyaman kami unay iti ayat kin nabuslon nga ayat kin kastamot nga ti susuporta iti panagkaykaysa ti ili nga sigay ket kas panangipakita mi nga inmay ket thank you very much Apo naimbag nga malamtay amin Apo Mayo.
Gapuday ta uncle, hangka kano nga agawid. Okay, another requested song, Kusilapan Ka. May sama na po nga Ilocano. Pinagkukusilap man ang kakabsat. Hindi naglata, kinit kita. Into nagsara ka, kusilapan ka. Ipasulik, kato'y manak, ako bitagan ka. Sakto ba'y pangatukin, ipababa. Kastanto parang iparik na. Ang nabiyagak na awan ka. Into nagsara ka, kusilapan ka. Ipasulik, tutoy panak, ako bitaken ka. Sakto ba'y pangadukin, ipababaan. Kastanto manang iparing na. Anabiyagak na awan ka. Ambok nga babawi ka, na amiris mo't nagbituta. I get sorry, damage has been done. Jagmetin pagarup sa emang iptunan, balay gikit masarakan, kalpasan nga syakit panawan. Into nagsara ka, kusilapan ka. Ipasulik, tutoy matak, ako bitaken ka. Sakto ba'y pangadukin, ipababaan. Kastanto parang iparik nabiyagak na awan kan ikinagpaiswanan na mail-iliwang lataken ka Bareno kabailang tu nga aramiden nga ito nagsanag ka kung silaban ka ipasulik tutoy matak ako bitaken ka sa tupay pangaduken ipababa kastanto panang iparik na ang nabiyagan nga awan ka yan, sa tatapo dyan request nyo po nga kusilapan ka may sapo nga Ilocano song.
When I feel the time is right and you're staying by my side, and the love you gave to me makes my heart beat. When my fears you fly away, but my feelings make me stay. I see the fire in your eyes, it makes my heart beat. Do it, listen to it, night and day. You're my old time lover. Do it, listen to it, in a way, like there is no other.
Let's go!
Touch, right touch. You're my old time lover. Skin to skin,
Yeah!
come and turn my collar. When my heart is full of love, it makes me a turtle dove. Oxygen, just replay. Night and day. When our love is clear and bright, it's our way to see the light. There is a fire in our heart, not in day. Do it, listen to it, not in day. Do it, in a way, like there is no other.
Let's go!
Touch, right touch. You're my old time lover. Skin to skin, come under my cover. Do it, listen to it, not in day. You're my old time lover. Do it, listen to it, in a way, like there is no other.
Let's go!
Touch, right touch. You're my old time lover. Skin to skin, come under my cover.
Dapat ikot ko yan. showing hands that he keeps pleasing. Didn't have to think about it. I wanna ease it, everything around it, but it's still distant. I wanna feel his body, I can't resist it. I know my hidden looks can be deceiving, but how obvious should a girl be? I was taken by the early conversation, teasing. I wanna get with him. I knew I had my mind made up from very beginning. Catch this opportunity, see you and make it feel it. Cause if you're ready for me, boy, you better push the button and let me know before I get the wrong idea. Go, you gotta kiss the freak that I'm control. Showing him what he's been amazing. I'm kinda showing up for his full attention. My sexy ass had got him in the new dimension. I'm ready to do something to relieve this nation. After waiting patiently for him to come and get it, he came in through and asked me if I wanted to go with him. I knew I had my mind made up from very beginning. Want this opportunity, see you and make me feel it. Cause if you're ready for me, boy, you better push the button and let me know before I get the wrong idea. Go, you gotta miss the freak that I control. If you're ready for me, boy, you better push the button and let me know before I get the wrong idea. Go, you gotta miss the freak that I control.
Just for the stars, and it feels right, heading for my heart. If you feel like, and take me away, and make it okay, I swear I'll behave. You wanted control, so we'll wait and point and a show. Now I'll make it, you see I'm a kid, my ego is weak, I do give a shit. It just goes like this. Take me by the time I know you. Kiss me till you dry. I show you what the music does. I get to move like up. I get to move like Candon. I do did you try control you? Look into my eyes. I'm all you. The moves like that. I get to move like that. I get to move like Candon. Maybe it's hard when you feel like you're broken scarred. Now it feels right, but when you're with me, I make you believe that I've got a key to get in the car. We can ride it wherever you want. Get inside it, and you want to see. But if she can kiss, I'll take it from me. It just goes like this. Everybody time I know you. Kiss me till you drop. I show you all the moves like that. I get to moves like that. I get to moves like that. How did you try control you? Look into my eyes. I owe you were the moves like that. I get to moves like that. I get to moves like that, girl.
You wanna know how to make me smile? Take control of me just for the night. When I share my secret, you're gonna have to keep it. Nobody else can see this thing. Oh, so watch and learn. I won't show you twice, head to toe. Oh, baby, rub me right. But I share my secret. You're gonna have to keep it. Nobody else can see this. Hey, hey, hey.
It goes like this. Take me by the time.
Tell me by the time.
Kiss me till you dry eyes show.
Well, I'm blessed, come rescue me. Everybody in this beach. If you wanna get up, get down like this. Oh, hallelujah, mercy me. Confess your sins, get down your knees. I go to you, you get to me to see. I'm glad come rescue me. Everybody in this beach. If you wanna get up, get down like this. Nakamay sa oras kami, Sir Aris. Sir Aris.
Another was that song.
Yan, so duwa lang aro na po nga sinata. Yung kami paay po kanyayo. Once again, we're the Sweetland Band, Mr. Narvi Dasalia and Mr. and Mrs. Carda Duo. And of course, the dancers tayo po, the Kako Besties and the Elio Sisters, all the way from Agoo and Rosario, La Union.
Okay, here's your request, Closer You and I. In your eyes must be love at first sight. You were just part of a dream, nothing more, so it seemed. But my love couldn't wait much longer. Just can't forget the picture of your smile, 'cause every time I close my eyes, you come alive. The closer I get to touching you, the closer I get to loving you. Give it time, just a little more time, we'll be together. Every little smile, the spacious smile, the twinkle in your eyes and the little one. Give it time, just a little more time, so we can get closer. You and I.
Extension program.
There's gonna love you more, so much stronger than before. Why does it seem like a dream? So much more, so it seems. I guess I found my inspiration. With just one smile, you take my breath away. So hold me close and say you'll stay with me now. The closer I get to touching you, the closer I get to loving you. just a little more time, we'll be together. Every little smile, a special smile, a twinkle in your eyes and a little while. Give me time, just a little more time, so we can get closer. You and I. Oh, another request a song, Having You Near Me. I came to you and never asked too much, wondering what you would say, hoping you understand it's not the role I usually play. Don't speak too much on what's been gone, when all the past is over and gone. Give me your troubled mind, though it's you. I can do so much for you. I want you, having you near me, holding you near me. I want you to stay and never go away. It's so right having you near me, holding you near me. I love you tonight, it feels so right, feels so right. You're brave to say that you can. Underneath all you feel, you know how deep a love could be. Tonight we'll touch until it's time to go. Then I'm leaving it up to you. Even a fool will know that I'm not true. I can do so much for you. I want you, having you near me, holding you near me. I want you to stay and never go away. It's so right having you near me, holding you near me. I love you tonight, it feels so right, feels so right. Having you near me, holding you near me. I want you to stay and never go away. It's alright having you near me, holding you near me. I love you tonight, it feels so right, feels so
Yan, sawagan mo na pati may isang guest singer, Kaprudi daw po. Kaprudi. Sa naman to ni Wela. Kasama ba dyan?
Ano ka na yun eh?
Awan sa man.
Kita mo dito si karaoke na.
Awaran.
Ang anyo man lang nga pinduton po di live broadcast. Agista-ista po. Thank you. Naka-live kami apo. Awan tayo po tingumat nga to. Thank you po.
Hello.
Contento ng nakatuyaya Ayap yakin ko'y kararwa Sapsapulin Obyak ko apaguray Nagmuta kasim ketindingan na Auray no pakapayak No isot gusto siya na ulan Pangnamna Magnamna Makyemin ka ng higan Di masansan Keramdaman Akalap-alaman Genungan Yagan Gaidatungkin katoy ayan Yakamo daita Unambet ngayon Thank you. Ha? Ay, masabay? Bisa. Okay. Mabalila tayo sumala no. Kailan tayo sumala? No sumbreken ayat sa nabarbare O mula sintirip sa kanto sige gusto tapusokin natin Huwagayat kapaibiyag ko Oray sa layan Iyayat ibabais Saan nakapapay kaya't kumurang. Awan panggip ko amang kayat tarik na buwaning malasa into na kayak ka Elyam to ni siya ako nawanan na sawa Ngawan asaw Isa mo na yan. Ay na Jai pula kita iman biak jai oleh kita gaya kaslah siapa jai Akrayu kena kiamat Tanah banyak ini
Bigyan tumbal lipatan lagi. They come to Malipata